Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a polygon. Now we need another polygon, 50pt. Then okay. Hold shift and rotate this polygon. Also hold shift and rotate this polygon. Now select those polygon and align horizontal and vertically center. Now you go to object and make a blend. Select this and go to object and expand. Now we take line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Also hold shift and draw the another line. Now select all and take shape builder tool and discuss all unnecessary part. Now select this and increase the stroke value. Now go to object and expand. Go to Pathfinder, click unique. Now you change the color. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.